Hey y'all, the toys just keep coming. The toys just keep coming. I think this is called the MacBook Mini. I know y'all like, damn, Wes, you bought something, you don't know the name of it? Hey, I'm moving so fast in my business, y'all. I gotta do what I gotta do. And I'm not even gonna edit this video, so it is what it is. All right, so as y'all can see, this is my new office setup. I'm actually gonna have a new video coming out here pretty soon. Don't mind my old desk, it's super messy right now. But that's where the MacBook Mini is gonna go, the screen and that whole setup. Over here is my PC setup. I have the uplift desk, which is really, really good. I mean, this thing is so smooth, like butter. It's so smooth, and it carries everything I have there. I have my standing desk. Both are up and rising, or they go up and go down. I'm sorry. I have my treadmill, my standing, my walking treadmill as well. So anyway, this is the last piece to my puzzle. Well, actually, before I have to go get the, I have to go buy a screen. But I want to take a quick second to unbox. You know me, I'm always unboxing stuff on this channel. So, come on. Come on. You know, Apple. They made things airtight. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, I'm stupid. Huh, there's another sticker thing. There we go. Boom. Now we should come out. There it is. So the beautiful thing about this one, guys, I'm excited about, it's got the new M2 chip in it. So not the M1, but the new M2 chip. And I also got mine's kind of souped up. So I got like the 1 terabyte hard drive. I got the max RAM. I don't know if it's like 32 gigs or if it's 36 gigs of RAM, but I got the max RAM as well. So let's see here. It just comes with a power cable. And that's it. That's all it is. That's all that comes with it. So it's a computer in a box. I already bought this earlier. So I already bought my trackpad earlier. So I picked that up last week. So I got my trackpad for it. I love trackpads. I already have a keyboard from an old setup that I used to have. Where's it at? Oh, here it is. Boom. I already have a keyboard from my old setup. So I got a keyboard and mouse. I'm good to go. For today, in the next couple of days, I'm probably just going to use my my other screen. But I'm going to end up buying a KVM switch and try to hook them both up together. If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. You'll find out in the next video. But anyway, guys, I'm excited. It's the M2 MacBook Mini. Got the Magic Trackpad, got the keyboard. And the reason I bought this, as you guys know, I already have this big, huge, custom-built PC that my buddy built for me about 1.5 years ago. And it's like my powerhouse. Like, I love it. I can upgrade it. I can open that bad boy up. I got my microphone, got my camera. Like, that's my powerhouse. But I'm just so bad at editing on PC. Like, I just love iMovie. I mean, iMovie has made me so much money. Like, I'm just going to stick to iMovie. So I went ahead and bought this MacBook Mini, even though I already have a Mac laptop, so I can just get back to editing my videos. So you guys are going to see a lot of content coming out, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.